Hapo chini, yes.
Mr. Kabirũ lost his life in unfortunate circumstances that were actually not directly related to the shooting by those people. I think it was in the case of protecting colleagues, and the whole report is going to be made public by the IG, but the family has been informed. The National Police Service visited his family yesterday. It may have been, I saw some people raised concerns that the message from the president went public before his family was visited. When that news was confirmed, the National Police Service dispatched a team to visit the family.